Bhí sé de privilege mór mílteach aganne mar chlann go raibh cárdas idir Clann Uí Mhathúna agus Muidhéin. It was one of the great privileges of our lives to have known Shéamuis Mhic Mhathúna and to have been friendly with him and his family. What can I say about Séamus that hasn't been said already? He was just one of the most amazing people I ever met in my life. Anton McGowan talked about his knowledge of music, his love of music, his love of seannós. Oh, he used to say about the seannós. Incredible. He did so much good for our tradition and our culture. I have said always that, in my opinion, nobody has done more than Shéamuis Mhic Mhathúna for our culture to bring it back together. And they told me to be short and not to be saying things here. But one very small thing I want to say is that a thing that's nearly forgotten about in lots of ways now that Séamus did, he revitalised one of our great seannós singers, a man called Darach Ó Catháin, mentioned there briefly a few minutes ago. Darach was one of Seán O'Riordan's prodigies way back in the 60s, and then unfortunately in bad times he had to emigrate to Sasana, and he was lost, gone, forgotten about, until Séamus discovered him in Leeds by a total happen chance. He was at the Fleadh in Leeds, and somebody came to him and said, "There's a great singer down there in one of them pubs called Dudley Kane." He said, "You should go around and listen to him." And Séamus didn't know who Dudley Kane was. He said, "I'll go around." And who was there? Only Darach Ó Catháin. And he reinvented him. He brought him back to Ireland. He got him to do an LP with Cóilín, which is one of the masterpieces of seannós now. That's all down to Séamus. And I can't finish without saying that whatever you paid coming in at the door here tonight was worth it to just listen to Una Mhic Mhathúna singing earlier on. What a performance. Fair play, good Jonah. Okay, with your bray.
Oh, silly who is my garage on London, the moon and non-waves. We shall root to hear come a holla in mass the nimmer connof. Neil marach dal follerit, ni hosa hein is conte, ach an drama dog to hear the wing, extrapolation on tongue, talong a galore the new, a Cóilín Phádraig Shéamuis, agus lat ar solen marvellous to Loch Garman, explore Ó Ireland na graine, agus tú hall na dír na ngá, a Cóilín Phádraig Shéamuis, Shéamuis Mhic Mhathúna, a chatú gan bhuara, Buíochas na Craobh, nu gíos na Chomórtha, Bágastíochas an Darach is túharach an gala, is for vinne lat na ceol na bíb, gísán na maidí rawa, talong a galore the new, a Cóilín Phádraig Shéamuis, agus lat ar solen marvellous to Loch Garman, explore Ó Ireland na graine, agus tú hall na dír na ngá, a Cóilín Phádraig Shéamuis, ní tú a ríis go do, the chord and broch an bhún híomh an sléibhe. Fog slán clán a fís slíomh, fog slán clán na mara. Mar níle tú go John an nóir de hir nó de whaile. Tá longa gala nó na nniu, a Cóilín Phádraig Shéamuis, agus I me leat ar sálan mar a bhí tú luach a héair. Ex Buíochas, ex slúistar cré, ó éirí go lainn na gréine, a bheits tú hall I ddír na mó, a Cóilín Phádraig